Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Taurus placements. This is your end of the month love read. Okay, so titingnan natin kung ano bang meron, ano magiging ganap, bago matapos mag-end ang June. Okay, so let's see. Siyempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and yeah, hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, so yes, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Okay, yeah. Let's see who is the person on your mind, Taurus. The person on Taurus' mind. Anong meron sa kanya? The Ten of Wands in reverse. Pwedeng fire sign. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay. So, I think some of them, meron ditong parang inaayawan or pwedeng may nangyaring drop dito or fallout like that. Ten of Wands in reverse. Some of them may pagkatamad ha. Yes, specific yon, hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay, some of them walang work. Okay, ano tong Ten of Wands in reverse? The Knight of Cups. The Lovers in reverse. I think meron ditong naglaylo pagdating sa pag-pursue. Pagdating sa emosyon maybe. Okay, meron ditong parang ang tawag dyan, hindi na naging porsigido. Parang ganyan. Pwedeng fire with water. Okay. Ito Taurus. Some of you, itong taong to gusto ka actually. Gusto ka, pero hindi natin siya tawag dyan, mapapag-effort eh. Okay, anong gusto nito? Gusto niya madalian. Oo, ano yun? Diba? Okay. So, let's see. Ano bang situation nyo? Anong situation nyo? Some of you, ang dami, diba? Ang daming energy, dalawang baraha pa lang. Dinrap ka para sa iba. Okay, dinrap ka dahil meron silang ginustong iba. Or may piniling iba. Saan kayo doon? Anong situation? Yeah, the Two of Wands. May pagpili. No? May namimili or may namili. What's with the Two of Wands? Let's see. The Wheel of Fortune in reversed. May pagkamakasarili itong taong to. Actually. The Queen of Cups in reversed. Okay, may nangyaring unfinished business sa inyong dalawa dahil bigla na lang tong nawala, bigla na lang naglaylo. Okay, dahil merong ginusto or piniling iba itong taong to. Okay? And I'm seeing na talagang hindi ibang bagay kundi tao. No? Tao ang pinili. Ibang tao. Okay? Yeah, lumayo. Lumayo siya sa'yo. Okay. Let's see. Ano ba ang kanyang current emotion pagdating sa'yo? Current. So, may unfinished business kayo. You're still waiting for this person. Oo. Okay. Emotion. Okay, the Eight of Swords in reverse. They're trying talaga na hindi ka naisipin. Okay, they're like freeing themselves, no? Pagdating sa sitwasyon or sa'yo. Why? Why the Eight of Swords in reverse? Yeah, the Sun. Ito pa rin yung isa. So, meron talagang involved dito. Okay? Emotion. Nandyan yung Eight of Swords in reverse. Free nila yung sarili, no? From you, from the stress, maybe. Or sa mga isipin. Yeah. The Sun, I think, darating at darating yung pagkakataon na pwedeng gawin nito yung mga dapat gawin pagdating sa sitwasyon nyo. Because you're still waiting, some of you. Okay, so nandyan yung pwedeng bibigyan kanya ng clarity or some of you, closure. Okay? Yeah, the Page of Wands in reverse though. Wala pang nangyayari. Yes. Okay. Some of them, talagang may nagbibigay na ng kasiyahan. Oo. May mga nagbibigay na sa kanila ng kasiyahan. Yes. Ito may ibang energy lang ako nakuha. Yeah, but I need to say it, no? Okay, so, meron ditong nagtanong. Narinig ko lang. Ang sabi, willing na ba siya na magkaanak kami? Okay? So, may nagtanong ng gano'n, nakita ko rito yung sagot. Okay? I think, sa ngayon, napaka-confused pa nung tao. No? Pero, darating at darating rin yung panahon na magkakaanak kayo nun. Okay? Yes. Someone yun, may narinig ako nagtanong actually. And, nakuha ko rito yung sagot. So, there's someone, maybe one or two. Okay? So, let's see, anong magiging next action niya towards you, Taurus. The Five of Cups. That's moving on. Okay? So, mag-move on yung taong to. Tingnan natin. Five of Cups in reversed. Yeah, and the Ace of Wands. So, may chance na talagang, ang tawag dyan, makipag-ayos itong taong ito, like, closure, mga ganyan. Hindi para makipagrelasyon uli, ha? Okay? And nakukuha ko, kapag yan nakipag-ayos, like, okay na tayo, ha? And, sana maging okay ka na rin. Mga ganan. May mangyayari pang sex. Yes. Okay? Yes. Like last na. Parang ganun. Okay? So, anong kalalabasan nun? Siyempre, mangyayari. Kasi gugustuhin mo rin, gugustuhin rin niya. Anong mangyayari? May kakonektong iba. Anong tawag doon? Okay? So, kapag may nangyari sa inyo, huwag ka ma-attach. Huwag ka magiging emotional. Kung gusto mo, dapat practical lang. Huwag kang aasa na may mangyayaring pagbabalikan. Okay? So, anong outcome? / advice for Taurus. Okay, the Tower. Expect separation. Okay, this is separation. Pipiliin talaga nito yung isa. Opo, may pagpili ako nakikita sa kanya. Pipiliin niya yung isa. Okay? Nawala na yung love nito for you. Actually, I'm sorry. Nandun na, nalipat na dun sa isa. Pero syempre, sex is sex. No? Yun lang yun. Sa mga mangyayari sa kanila yung merong tawag dyan, last na lang na ganun. Okay, don't expect something. Don't expect na merong emosyon yung tao para sa'yo. Okay? So, Tower, ang inyong outcome, separation. Okay, and the Seven of Swords in reversed. Wala, magkakasabihan lang ng ganto, ganyan, sasabihin lang talaga kung anong nangyari, ganyan. So, yun nga, closure. Okay? Closure, magbibigay na ng kung anumang sagot, ganyan, yeah. A lot of aces, no? So, meaning, meron talagang mga bago. Okay, may mga bago. Ayan, the Eight of Cups, nasa ilalim. So, talagang lalayuan ka na niya, aalisan ka na niya. The Star is in the reverse, so you need to heal from this. Okay? They will try to move on from you. Dapat ganon ka rin. Okay? So, yeah, this is sad, pero ganun talaga ang life, no? Okay? So, yeah. The sex is present. Sa magiging next action ng taong to. Yes. So, yun nga, don't expect anything. Okay? Advice rin sa'yo, don't expect. Okay, the Seven of Swords is in the reverse. Kung anong inaakala mo, pwedeng yun pang sumira, no? Sa sarili mo. Okay, so wag mong gawin. Yes, kung alam mong may someone na, bakit pa? 'Di ba? Ano yun? Wag na, ikaw lang masasaktan doon. Siyempre, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng mag-expect, may nangyari pa eh. Baka ganto ganyan pa. Baka nandun pa yung love niya. No. Mga pababae, mga palalaki. Okay, no, no, no. Itong taong ito na nakita natin dito sa reading is actually focused na rin naman siya doon sa someone na bago. And ikaw talagang dinrap na. Okay? So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs for you, Taurus. Okay. Aries, they're, sabihin natin, they need you. Okay. May chance rin na talagang iiwan mo to or vice versa. Taurus, they're waiting. Ooh, expectations. Third party for some of you. Gemini, communication, messages. Yan. Cancer, they want to communicate. Some of them, they're manifesting you. Okay. Leo, some of you, meron ditong breakup, no contact. Some of them, they're, always thinking of you. Virgo, they're moving on. Libra, they're sabihin natin stalking you. Yeah, they're stalking you. Pwedeng kasi gusto nila makipag-usap din sa'yo actually. Scorpio, so may chance na nawawala na yung attraction. Okay, from this Scorpio. Some of them na-intimidate. Sagittarius, they're afraid. Some of them, they're doing something na mali sa sitwasyon. Capricorn, they're dropping you. Okay, nandyan yung pag-surrender. Oo. Aqua, waiting. Pagdating sa isang communication, they want to communicate. Okay, some of them, itong si Aquarius, nakaganto siya. Chat. Yung sisend na, hindi pa niya sisend. Buburahin niya yun. Okay, so mayroon something na gustong sabihin si Aqua, pero hindi niya lang pinapaalam. Yes. Pisces. Okay, so nandyan yung ego, yung pride. Okay. Feeling intimidated, some of them. They're just waiting. Waiting, yeah. Pagdating sa isang reconciliation, they're just being positive pagdating sa situation. Okay? So there, yun ang ating reading for you, Taurus placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.